Hi Frequent Flower subscribers. This month we're talking about Lisianthus. This is a favorite of a lot of us here in the shop. Its delicate blooms and its little wispy buds are just fun to work with. We can typically get this flower year round and it comes in a lot of different colors. Different shades of pink, white, purple, green. We use it a lot in wedding work and it can often be mistaken for a rose or sometimes even a poppy when it opens up really well. So Lisianthus is very delicate looking, it's soft blooms, but its meaning is very powerful. It is all about appreciation and gratitude. So it's the perfect flower to add to a bouquet when you're thanking someone. When you're working with Lisianthus, you want to remove any of the foliage that will be below the water line. That's going to stop the growth of bacteria, which is going to be the #1 killer of your fresh flowers and your vase arrangements. Today, you're also going to get some Aurelia. So this is actually a plant I have here in the store of Aurelia, also known as Fatsia japonica, and you'll be working with that greenery as well. It just adds just a little bit more of dimension and interest to your bouquet. So you'll have stems of that to work with as well. Lisianthus is native to North America. It's more of a wildflower grown in the grasslands. I think like Texas, Colorado, not really our prairie state, which is a little disappointing. But then in the 1930s in Japan, it was sort of genetically modified to be used for florist use. So that's what you see here and what you'll be working with today. So enjoy your Lisianthus blooms, have a great time arranging, and stick around to watch the quick tutorial.